going on, guys? Today was Wednesday, and guys, I was looking for a sell, but soon as price broke above this high first, I got in on my buys and stops just below here. This was a low probability setup, so I risked 0.5%. And then, guys, I wasn't waiting for this trade to hit full TP. I probably would have gotten out before the news. That means this trade would have been a break even trade. My stops was just below here, but um price came and immediately this happened. They took me out. My broker took me out of my full stop loss around this point. But the trade was still in play, and if I hadn't been taken out of this trade, I would have probably come out of this trade and break even before the news came out. So come back tomorrow and try again. Bye guys. So, good afternoon, everyone. Today is Thursday. So, I'm in this USD card buys. Apparently, I was looking for sales. I've marked my swing highs and swing lows from the 1 hour. But this is also a high from the 1 hour, but it's not a swing high, it's just a continuation high where they used and continued the down push. But since this trade had also given me a double bottom and then they've come to take liquidity from the Asian lows, and I've seen this close above the highs from the 1 hour, although it's not a swing high. That's why there's a B plus setup. And also I'm risking 0.5% on this trade since it's a B plus setup. So I'm just going to sit and watch how this trade plays out. I'll keep you guys updated on this trade. I'll definitely keep you guys updated. Bye for now. What's going on, my people? A quick update on that trade. Yeah, you can see the trade is playing out real good, but I exited this trade right around this point, guys. I exited this trade right around this point. So yeah, I got out of this trade at break even. But it is what it is. We'll come back tomorrow and try again. Bye for now, guys. What's going on YouTube? What's going on everyone? Today is Friday and I'm in this USD card buys. Well, marked my highs and lows from the 1 hour, and immediately this price broke above here. I got in buys, stops just below London lows, and then targeting 1:2 on this trade. So yeah, guys, I'll keep you guys updated on how this trade plays out. Let's see. Hey guys, so a little quick update on that trade. Well, price went for about 1:1 in our favor, and then came back to stop us at break. Not at break even actually, I had to reduce stop because as soon as price advanced, I had to reduce my stops to this low. So this was what I was risking, and then price reversed and came to stop me out. But it is what it is. We'll come back next week and try again. Bye, guys. So, what's up, my people? That brings us to the end of this week's episode. So, those are the only opportunities I was able to take this week. And as usual, guys, I'll be putting my P and L for this week. So, guys, this week was a self-sabotaging week, guys. On Wednesday, when I knew I was not even supposed to take a trade, because I knew that later on that there was going to be Fed cut rates release, and apparently my gadgets were low, but I still forced myself into that market. And before the market could even basically consolidate, my broker had already taken me out because price came really close to my stop loss. So considering the spread, they just took me out. But it is what it is, and that was a loss. And then the next day, I thought I've already gotten past the loss, just to find out that I carried the loss into my next trade. And then instead of me to just be in that trade, okay, I wasn't sure about the trade. I've reduced my risks on that trade. I didn't go in with my full risk. And And then instead of me to just sit and wait for that trade to play out, I had to give myself a reason or find a reason to exit that trade, which I wasn't supposed to do. But I mean, guys, this week was just a self-sabotaging week, and basically next week I might not be uploading an episode. I want to come back here the upper week with a challenge and basically use this next week to sort out things off the charts and then come back ready. I don't know for now. I probably might still upload next week. We just have to see. Just make sure you guys hit the like and subscribe button so that you guys can know when this episode are being dropped. I'll see you guys next week. I'll see you guys next episode. Bye for now.